Viewers, welcome back to Brilliant IELTS, and today I am gonna share with you another reading tip. It's a tip number 3. Before this video, I have shared one more video, and in that video, I have shared two tips with you. You can check that. I will put that link in description box. You can check from that, or if you have subscribed my channel, you can easily see that video in my channel. So without wasting time, let us start. I request you all, please don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you will not understand the concept. Maybe this video would be little bit, not too much, but little bit lengthier. So please don't miss the chance to score high in reading module. So let us start. So before I explain you with the example, I want to share one thing. I want to give you that tip. We will solve reading with the help of punctuation. Yes guys, this tip will not be given by anyone, and I'm gonna share with you this tip, punctuation. So first of all, we have to understand what you mean by punctuation. Punctuation means special symbols that you add to writing to separate phrases and sentences, right? So special symbols. What type of symbols? You can see inverted commas, comma, hyphen, right? So these type of like full stop, right? So these are the punctuation symbols. You can understand this, like punctuation is a symbol, and these symbols are very important when you are solving reading. Yes guys, these are very important. Now see, first of all, we will understand what does comma indicate. Comma means, comma, the symbol is used in writing to separate parts of a sentence. That means it is used to separate. कोई भी पार्ट है उसको सेपरेट करने के लिए. शोइंग अ स्लाइट पॉज, थोड़ा सा पॉज ले रहे हैं. और टू सेपरेट द सिंगल थिंग इन अ लिस्ट, कोई भी सिंगल चीज़ है उसको लिस्ट से सेपरेट करने के लिए कॉमा को यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड वो जो सिंगल थिंग है ना, दैट इज़ योर आंसर. Yes guys, that is your answer. So comma is very important, right? And apart from this, see, hyphen is also very important. Hyphen has been added for the sake of clarity. So after comma the thing is explained, but before comma you can find your answer. So I will elaborate it with the example, so stay tuned and understand the concept. If you understand the concept, your score will definitely boom. It will increase and you will score very good in reading. So let us start. See guys, I have Cambridge book, and I generally explain reading with the authentic material. So it's a Cambridge 5, and let's start. It is a reading test too, and the passage name is Bakelite, and this tip will help you to solve the fill in the blanks. So see guys, let's see. First of all, we read the instruction. So instruction says choose one word only, and so we have to write one word only. Then the keywords. First of all, we read the instruction and then we find the keyword. So keyword is phenol formaldehyde, and I found these words here, phenol formaldehyde. The next one is combine under vacuum, stage 1 resin called dash. So here resin, so resin is keyword, so I found it here, resin, right? So the tip says use comma to find your answer. So resin, so after resin there is an answer. So definitely my answer is this. This is my answer, Novalk. This is my answer. Okay, we will check it later on. I will show you the answer sheet also. So for the question number 4, answer is Novalk. Then the next one, the next question is, let me zoom you. See, the next question, number 5. Example is cotton, asbestos. So these are the cotton and asbestos are the keywords. So I have to find these keywords into the paragraph. Now see, cotton and asbestos. These are the keywords, right? So these are the keywords, right? And see here, these are after the answer. So that means I have to check before these words. So see here, before these words, so these are the examples, right? Such as that means examples. So examples, and before that there is a comma. So comma, and that means this is the answer. So this is the answer for question number 5. Again, comma helped me to find out the answer. Next, number 6. See, number 6, ammonia, formaldehyde together called this. So ammonia and formaldehyde. See here, ammonia and formaldehyde, right? So these two. And before that, I have to check comma, right? So what is combined word for this? So here you can see hexa, because comma is here. This is the answer. Now you can see before comma I am getting the answer, but I have to focus on the keywords also, right? This is the answer. Hexa is for question number 6. Next, number 7. Number 7 says dash bakelite. Now here the keyword heat, like I have to find heat, as well as I have to find the word powder, right? Powder and heat. Let's see, powder. So powder and heat, I have to find that. Here is the word powder, right? And powder, right? So after powder, see here, raw bakelite. So see here, powder. After powder, dash bakelite. So the answer is, see, raw bakelite. Comma is there. So bakelite is already mentioned. Answer is raw. Definitely, this is the answer. Bakelite is already written there, and the answer is raw. Then the next. So again, I found the answer nearby comma, right? Raw bakelite. Again, I found the answer nearby comma. So next is, see, heat and dash. Pour into mold. So mold is also the keyword. Then heat and dash. So see here, I found the word mold, right? So then after that I am searching for the heat. I got it. And pressure. Again, this is the answer because it is nearby comma. So you can use this trick. And now for the question number 8, answer is pressure, right? And for the 7, the answer was, what was this? Bakelite, dash bakelite. 7, raw bakelite. Now let us check the answers. You can check the answer. Question number 4, answer is Novalk. We have written Novalk and the answer is Novalk. Question number 5, answer was fillers. Yes, it is correct. Then number 6, hexa. It is also correct. Number 7, raw, and the answer is raw. Then the next is 8, pressure, and the answer is pressure. So guys, you can see all answers are correct, and you can use this tip, and this will definitely help you. I hope you understood how to solve the reading using punctuation. So please use this and score good and rock in reading module. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.